Do marketing with heart and use social media to earn money daily. Hello my dear, this is Sophie here to support you in this earning journey. Let me tell you something clearly. You already have what it takes. You have a skill, you have a product, you have a service, and most importantly, you have a story. The only thing standing between you and earning daily income is marketing. But here's the good news. Marketing does not have to feel pushy. It does not have to feel fake, and it definitely does not have to go against your values. And mindful mom honest, we believe marketing is storytelling, it's connection, it's trust, it's showing up gently and consistently. And yes, this heart-led marketing can help you earn money daily, especially if you are doing online work and want to earn money daily in India. Let me tell you about Fatima. Fatima is a quiet jewelry maker from Jaipur. She used to think, who will even notice my creation? She hesitated to post. She doubted herself. One day, instead of posting, buy this now, she shared something simple. She wrote about a peaceful walk on the beach that inspired her earrings. That's it. No discount, no pressure, no selling, and something beautiful happened. People didn't just like the post. They commented, they connected, and they remembered her. And slowly orders started coming in. Then regularly, then daily. Why? Because she didn't sell a product. She shared a feeling. That is marketing with heart. Now let's make this practical. Here's your gentle daily marketing strategy, simple and powerful. Number 1, choose one platform first. Do not overwhelm yourself. If your business is viral, handmade products, decor, styling, start with Instagram. If your business is community-based, coaching, teaching, consulting, start with Facebook. Master one platform first. Consistency beats confusion. When you show up daily on one platform, people begin to trust you, and trust leads to income. Number 2, follow the 80-20 rule. This rule changes everything. 80% of your content should serve, 20% should sell, serve through behind the scenes, personal lessons, tips, tutorials, honest struggles. When you give value first, sales happen naturally. This is how you build long-term daily income. Number 3, write like you speak. Please don't sound like a corporate brand. Sound like yourself. Imagine you are talking to a friend over chai. Be warm, be simple, be honest. Ask questions. Use easy words, even emojis if that feels natural. People do not buy from perfect brands. They buy from people they trust. Especially in online work, trust equals earning money daily. Number 4, stop chasing viral. Viral is temporary. Loyal is powerful. Instead of chasing 10,000 random followers, focus on building 100 true fans. People who engage, share, refer, buy again. Even a small loyal audience can help you earn money daily consistently. That sustainable growth. Bonus tips to keep it light. Marketing should not exhaust you. Use tools to simplify your life, like Canva Scheduler, Meta Business Suite, Buffer, Later. Plan your content in advance. Create 3 content buckets. Teach, connect, invite. Rotate them weekly. Use only 5 to 7 targeted hashtags, not 30 random ones. And repurpose your content. One Facebook post can become an Instagram carousel. A reel, multiple stories. Work smarter, not harder. Listen carefully. You do not need a big advertising budget. You need honesty, consistency, creativity. Every post builds visibility. Every comment builds trust. Every share builds momentum. This is how moms are doing online work and earning money daily in India, right from home. Marketing is not about shouting. It's about showing up gently, consistently, with heart. If this helped you, don't just scroll. Start today. Post one honest story, and remember, you are not just building income, you are building impact. And yes, you can earn money daily with heart. If you want more clarity and step-by-step guidance, you can read the full blog now on Mindful Awareness. The link is given below. And if my personal experience and honest sharing helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to the channel. Your support genuinely motivates me to keep creating practical, heart-led content for moms who want to grow and earn confidently. Let's grow gently, let's earn daily, let's build with heart.